Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating your Bark parent account and confirming your email. This gives you control. Next, add each child profile with accurate birth dates so filters match age. Install the Bark app on your phone to receive alerts. Once done, connect the first child device. Choose mobile, tablet, or Chromebook and follow the guided enrollment. Make sure to allow the requested permissions. These enable monitoring and filtering. You're starting live protection now, so proceed to the deeper setup steps. Now you configure what Bark watches and how loudly it alerts you. You enable channels like texts, email, social apps, search, and YouTube. Each has its own toggles. Then set sensitivity levels per category, higher for self-harm or bullying, lower for humor, so alerts matter. Configure quiet hours to reduce false alarms at night. Also activate web filters and safe search across browsers and apps to block inappropriate content. Make sure to test a sample message so you see alerts in real time. Finish by confirming who receives alerts. Add another guardian if needed and enable SMS or push notifications. You should run the built-in enrollment test to verify permissions, VPN, or device profile status, and that monitoring is active. If a child device stops reporting, first check app permissions and internet access. If problems persist, reinstall Bark on the child device, rerun enrollment, and verify the device OS parental controls aren't blocking the profile. One simple troubleshooting tip: recheck the device management profile. Most failures trace there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.